Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PayPal limitation. First, log into your account and navigate directly to your Resolution Center. This crucial section provides specific details about why your account is limited and outlines the precise steps you need to take. Understanding the exact reason for the limitation is the first crucial step toward resolving it effectively and fully regaining account access. After logging in, locate the Go to Resolution Center link, usually found on your account overview. Here, you will find a clear message explaining why your account has been limited. It will also list a set of specific tasks you need to complete, such as providing identity documents or proof of address. Carefully read each requirement to ensure you gather everything needed before proceeding. Most limitations require you to upload specific documents to verify your identity or business details. This typically includes a copy of your valid government-issued photo identification, such as a driver's license or passport. You may also need a recent utility bill or bank statement, dated within the last 3 months, to confirm your address. Make sure these documents are clear, high-resolution scans, or photos for easy verification. Once you have all your documents ready, upload them individually through the dedicated links in your Resolution Center. Double-check that you are submitting the correct document for each specific request. After submission, PayPal typically reviews the information within 3 to 5 business days, though sometimes it might take up to 7 business days. You can monitor the status of your review directly from the Resolution Center at any time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.